Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces gamit ang ating The Red Rose Oracle cards. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito. Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. Okay, and this is a timeless reading. So, kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood. Basta mag-resonate po, take lang. Pag hindi, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito. Ship, cutting ties, moving on, receive what you need, progression, and arriving. So, it's either merong mapuputol or puputulin or moving on or pwede din na merong darating Pisces, okay? Or progress. Okay, so ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces? Ano itong darating? Ano itong mapuputol? Okay, ano po ito? May message pa po ba kayo for Pisces sa araw na ito? Heartbroken. So, pwedeng kakabreak nyo lang, Pisces. Okay. Kasi itong the ship kasi is something like dalawa yung possible na mangyari. It's either magpapatulor or mapuputol. Kaso, nasundan siya ng heartbroken. So, obviously, yun, Pisces. Alam niyo na. So, ano pa po yung message na po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Partying, time with friends, having fun, happily single, living in a moment. So, you have to talk to your friends, to have fun, okay? And, there's a wedding rings. So, pwedeng merong sa moment na maka-move on ka na siguro, Pisces, maka-get over or something like ma-enjoy mo na yung buhay after this situation right here. There is a big love na darating sa'yo that leads to a marriage, okay? Wedding rings, strong connection, union and marriage, soul connection, everlasting love, devotion, okay? Not today, okay? Boundaries and hurt, avoiding conversation, not dealing, still upset. So, pwedeng as of now, hindi ka pa handa, Pisces, pwede pong ganun, okay? So, ano pa po yung message niyo po? Pero wag niyo po hayaang malugmok sa kung ano man yung darating or sa kung ano man yung nangyari po, okay? And golden mirror, narcissist, love bombing, self-absorbed, one-sided. Okay, so pwedeng ito yung naging rason kung bakit naging ganito. And maybe hindi ka pa ready, pero wag mong hayaan na malugmok ka doon. As I said, enjoy the life. Parang sabi nila, thank you next, okay? Sabi ni Ariana Grande pala, thank you next, okay? So, there's a seduction, attraction, teasing, hooking up and date, third party, temptation. So, pwedeng ito yung nararamdaman nyo, okay, before ito mangyari. Okay? It's either both of you have so much attraction to each other, there's something na date, a temptation, or pwedeng nangyari na na-attract siya sa iba or na-attract ka sa iba, pwede pong ganun. Pwedeng ito yung naging rason, and there's a person na narcissist, but there's a phoenix, okay, phoenix, changes, and dragonfly. So pwedeng there's a big possibility of comeback, Pisces, kasi meron tayo ditong dragonfly. Everything will change. Kung magkakabalikan man kayo ng taong to, everything will change and both of you will change emotionally and mentally. Okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong dragonfly and phoenix. It is something like everything will be better. Okay? And there's a rekindle, renew, okay? Rise from ashes. So, kung meron mang comeback na mangyayari, there's a big possibility na malaki yung pagbabago and at the same time, yung pagbabago na yun is sobrang makakabuti or it will be better for the situation, okay? Lalo na't ang kasunod nito is passion, dragonfly, and phoenix. yung connection nyo netong taong to is mas magiging mas malalim, mas maganda. Okay, pwede pong ganon. Okay, and pwedeng this will lead to wedding rings po. Okay, this will lead to marriage. Okay, so yeah, pero kung ano man, gusto nyo na ng new person, ayaw nyo na ng past person, there's a big possibility na while having fun, taking of yourself, pwede hindi sa ngayon, pero sa darating, parang makaka-move on ka na din. There's a parang version 2.0 sa sarili mo, Pisces. Okay, kumbaga there's something na pagbabago sa sarili mo, and that's the time na matatagpuan mo yung para sa'yo, okay? It's like, kung meron ka mang downfall, obviously dito, kumbaga tatayo ka and mas magiging mas maayos yung sarili mo, ikaw, or yung sitwasyon para sa'yo, okay? And darating yung connection, love, na full of passion, full of chemistry, full of burning desire, equal interest, totoong pagmamahal that leads to wedding. Bottom of the deck is not enough. Lacking confidence, self-sabotage, ego, and fear, frustrations. Pwedeng feel ko ngayon hindi ka pa nakaka-move on, Pisces, sa kung ano man yung nandito. Pero it's either there's a comeback, or kung hindi naman, pwedeng new person that etong new person na ito is matatagpuan mo sa panahong hindi mo ina-expect, and sa panahong okay ka na po. Okay? Okay ka na, nagiging better ka na, and yung new love, or pwedeng continuation na love, it will be like so strong that leads to marriage, Pisces. Okay, so kuha siguro tayo ng The Keeper, the fortune telling card po. Ano yung mga posibleng mangyari? Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito? May message po ba kayo for Pisces para sa araw na ito? There's a main male. Pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces. You're the masculine energy, or you're dealing with someone na masculine energy. Mature man. Pwede you're dealing with someone na mas matanda sa'yo, Pisces. Okay. Older than you, physically, or mentally, emotionally. Okay. Or pwedeng pareho kayo ng gender, Pisces. Same gender itong ano na ito. Okay. So, ano pa po yung message nyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? There's an unexpected income. So, this person will give you a investment na rin, nasabi ko yung investment. Pero investment and wedding is some kind of long-term investment also, Pisces. Okay? So, pwedeng ito ay si new person, or pwedeng ito pa rin yung si old person na kumbaga from main male, nagpunta siya sa mature man, which is merong evolve, okay? Upgrading. So, yun, yung sabi ko kanina. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces. More on, mas nag-focus ka sa pera as of now. Okay? Or pwedeng same gender kayo, and this person is parang meron siyang ibibigay, i-offer sa'yo, Pisces, which is an unexpected income. So, pwedeng ibang tao to sila, or pareho, iisang tao lang to. From this one, napunta siya dito sa mature man energy. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces sa araw na ito. W, J, Z, mapagbigay, pangarap. Letter P, chinito, chinita, long hair, connection, lover. Letter T, okay, dark hair. Letter V, marami tayong initials ngayon, Pisces. Panaginip, kapatid, and letter G. Okay, so, pwedeng nandito, pwede pong wala. It's okay lang, okay? So, yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nag-resonate po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel, and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!